Hello there. So this evening I'm going to attempt to cook a creamy peppered steak pie from Co-op in the air fryer in my car. Hooked up, the air fryer is hooked up to the Bluetti AC 180 battery bank. So there's the Bluetti. How much charge has it got? 65% at the moment. So we're going to start cooking at 65%. There's a Kosuri air fryer, just a 2-litre air fryer. Right, let's put the pie in and see where we get to. So, don't really know what I'm doing here. I've got this little silicone thingy in the dish. I'm going to take that out and just put the pie in its foil thingy straight onto the plate, directly into the air fryer dish, and I'm going to leave it inside its metal plate, or its metal cup thing, the foil cup thing, whatever it's called. Just going to put that straight on there. Is that light too bright over there? Let's put the light. Is that any better? Maybe. Do I really need the light? Right. Turn on the Bluetti, which you can't see. Put on the AC. There we go. The old thingy switched on now. So I reckon 10 minutes. 160. Let's give that a go. Now remember, it's 65% charge in the Bluetti. So I've warmed up the pie for 10 minutes. It's got a bit crusty, a bit flaky and nice, and I'm now going to add some beans. I'll put it in the silicone tray thingy, because if I put beans straight in there it'll be right messy. Oh, it's snapped. Okay, now we have a crisis. At least it's... oh, there we go. It kind of split the jointy thingy, the lid, off a little bit. Crisis averted by the looks of it. I'm now going to stick my fingers into the sharp metal lid, so probably cut my fingers off, but yeah. Absolutely fine. Cut my tongue off by licking it. So I'm going to put the beans over. Now this is probably going to spit and be a complete disaster. It's the first time I've ever used it. Sorry, the last couple of times are the first times I've ever used an air fryer. It's all totally new to me. First time I've tried pie-ing beans in one. That is for sure. Especially in my little car. I'm in a Citroen C1. It's amazing what you can cook in a Citroen C1 with a air fryer. Kosuri air fryer in this case. Powered by the Bluetti AC 180. I'm not sponsored by any of them, by the way. Be nice if they could sponsor me, of course. Right, so the tray now has beans and the pie in it. Just going to stick it back in, carry on warming it through it. Well, it says 200. Automatically turned itself on, so we'll see what happens. I'll probably give it 3 or 4 minutes before I check it and maybe mix it around a little bit. Oh, actually, what's the Bluetti on now? And we're currently drawing 900 watts, around about 64%. It's gone down 1% already. Let us see how the old Kosuri performs. I'll come back in about 10 minutes and check it out. Well, let us see how we are. Let's put it down a bit. Can you see the tray? It is piping hot, that's for sure. Yeah, you can see the tray there. Yeah, loads of steam. Oh, it's lovely and crispy as well. So the pie is well cooked, or the crust is well cooked. I wonder if the meat inside it is warmed up. Let's have a do the tongue test without burning my tongue. Yeah, it's definitely steaming. Look at that. That is cooked really well. Just the right heat, just the right temperature. The beef, I had a slab of beef in that, and that is perfect. You know, we're on 41% on the Bluetti power bank. So I can't remember what it started on, but it must be about 20% it's used, I think. Was it 60% when I started? So pie and chips, sorry, pie and beans. Thumbs up. Right, a quick interlude. I really hope you're enjoying my channel, and I get quite a lot of questions. How did you end up living in a car? How do you live in a car? And what are your plans going forward? Well, I've written a book on that subject, Breaking Free, by Cornish van dweller, funnily enough. You can find a link to where to purchase that in the description below this video, and where you'll also find links to my other books, such as this one, oddly enough, which is How to Write a Book on a Smartphone. And this book was actually written on my iPhone Mini 13 using voice to text dictation. And you'll also find this book, Bird Watching Around Ventnor. Link to that in the description below this video, and this one as well, Wildlife Watching Around Ventnor. I've written about 10 books, all of which are linked in the description below this video. Right, let's get back to watching my videos.